Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be sharing with you few of the internship opportunities, the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. Also, we have got few of the remote-based job opportunities. So let me share those details with you. So the first opportunity is for a QA. So they are looking for internship at Equity Soft Technologies Private Limited. So someone who is having the uh, who is looking for an internship opportunity, they can apply for this particular company. Apart from this, they are also looking for Flutter developers. So 4+1 walk-in this vacancies are there, and the location is Ahmedabad. It's a walk-in interview, so you can apply over there, and you can drop your resume at this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA associate fresher, 0 to 6 months. It's a remote job, so fresher plus remote job, and you can send your CV to this email address. Then there is a hiring going on at Perficient India. They are looking for QA automation senior and lead engineers. You can apply at this email address to join their teams in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, and Nagpur. And the required skill set are SDIT, Java, Selenium, REST Assured, API automation, OOPS, strong programming skills is a must. And if you have design patterns, it would be good for you. So years of experience is 4+ years, and it's a hybrid-based position. And the 30+ positions openings are there in this company. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer. Location is Mumbai. Experience required is 5+years. Qualification is BE, ITCS, MCA, or BSc. And they are looking for someone who is having experience in functional regression, sanity, and smoke testing. Right. And here is the email address wherein you can apply. They need someone who has 5+years of experience in manual testing, including writing test cases and grading test data, doing root cause analysis, defect analysis. So these all things are required. Then there's a hiring for Capgemini. The candidates should be available in 30 days, and they should be available for face-to-face interview during weekdays or during weekends. And the experience required is 4 to 10 years. Location is Pune. Mode of work would be hybrid. So they need someone who has strong experience in automation testing. Java and Selenium should have experience in automation testing framework such as TestNG, Cucumber, BDD. And if interested, you can share your resume at the earliest on the below email address. And this is the email address. And they are looking for face-to-face availability, either weekday or weekend is mandatory. So face-to-face is very important, right? Then you can join the team at Persistent Systems. So they are looking for someone who is available to join in the month of March itself. React.js developer. Apart from that, QA Python with Selenium. So 6+ years of experience is required in Python in this Pune and Bangalore. And this is the email address wherein you can share your profile along with total experience, relevant experience, and CTC, expected CTC, current location, notice period. Then there is a requirement for tech North team. So they are looking for senior mid QA, 1.5 to 2 years of experience. Local candidate would be preferable. And this is the website and the email address where you can drop your resume. Then there's a requirement for quality assurance engineer, manual tester. Location is Bangalore. Notice period is immediate joiner. And you can share your updated resume at this email addresses. DevOps engineer, fresher related job opportunities there, 0 to 2 years. And the freshers can also apply someone who is having experience or understanding of CI/CD pipelines, AWS Azure, familiarity with Docker and Kubernetes, and you can share your resume at this email address. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.